Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Tesla Model 3 with its key card. This card is a convenient backup or primary access method. It's designed to be simple and reliable, ensuring you can always get into your car. We'll cover where to place the card for unlocking, how to start the car, and important tips for using it effectively. Let's get started with the basics of this essential access tool. To unlock your Model 3, simply hold the key card against the B-pillar, which is the post between the front and rear doors on the driver's side. You'll hear a chime and see the lights flash, indicating the car is unlocked. This method is quick and efficient, especially if your phone key isn't working or you prefer a physical key. Remember to hold it steady for a moment for proper recognition. Once inside, to start your Tesla Model 3, you need to place the key card on the center console. Specifically, position it behind the cup holders, where the card reader is located. The car will then recognize the card, allowing you to shift into drive. This step is crucial for operating the vehicle, so always ensure the card is correctly placed before attempting to drive away. For best practices, always carry a backup key card or ensure your phone key is set up. This prevents being locked out if one method fails. The key card itself doesn't need a battery, making it very reliable. Keep it safe from physical damage and extreme heat, which could affect its internal components. Understanding these tips ensures a smooth and secure experience with your Tesla Model 3.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.